I built this model of hybrid course to give students the freedom to watch, the freedom to revise and absorb at your own pace, and the power to stay connected weekly without burning out. So, is that flexibility working for you, especially when managing your studies, or even if you're intending to start with your LLM or practice, personal and professional responsibilities? Because I feel that after or even while you are pursuing your LLB, this course comes with a lot of flexibility. But sometimes what happens is कि बच्चे क्या बोलते हैं कि मैम इतना flexible है ना, we feel lethargic. We don't feel like there's lack of consistency and there's lack of discipline in recorded sessions, because that motivation is not there. So is that also the same with you, or is this my hybrid model? That's the reason I have this weekly session for all of you, right? So that I can
Yes,
keep a
ma'am.
track. So is this hybrid model helping you for not to procrastinate and not to be lazy in, making the notes or listening to the recorded sessions?
Ma'am, actually, my opinion is different. I actually specifically wanted hybrid mode itself, because I can learn at my own pace, and especially it is not much different from live classes. Other than that, we have to inculcate the discipline. Discipline start for starting for some time it is difficult to get in tune, but as and when you understand the teaching strategy and the style, now I'm able to cope up with your teaching style more. And even the students who are asking doubts, that is the same doubts that I have. And logically, I think what next should be the like the topic you explain it next. So I think we are in line with the topic, and
That's
hybrid has
wonderful.
really helped me.